As someone who works with, hundreds of businesses each year on the Squarespace websites, one of the things that I have to do with every single build is at some point hand over the reins to the client. So what we can do is we can give people granular permissions that I'm going to go through in a moment, but you can also transfer ownership and get basically whoever you want onto the site. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to add someone on and then how to change the permissions. And then for good measure, what I'll do is I'll throw in a how-to on how to actually transfer that ownership to them as well. So first things first, what we want to do is go to settings down here. We're clicking to there and then we're going to go over to permissions and ownership. Click into there, nice and easy. And we just want to invite a contributor. So click on this and then you're going to pop the name and the email in here. Then what you can do is you can toggle whether you want them to be full admin, meaning they get everything, so access to everything on the site. If let's say they're in accounts, then you could change the billing. And then you got more granular permissions, as I said before. So website editor, that's just someone who does the content. Analytics could be, let's say you've got someone doing Google ads, get them on board. The comment moderator, I don't think anyone's going to be doing that unless you run like a super popular blog. I won't go through them all, but you can see there's a lot. And I'm pretty sure soonish there's going to be even more granular permissions that you can add to the site. So easy peasy, add the name, email, and most of the time you're just going to toggle admin. Once you've got that, just hit invite. What I'll do is I'll plug in my details and I'll show you how this works. So I'll pop SJ Crawford. This is my private email. Please don't spam me. Hit invite. And it's going to send off that invite. Now, I've had clients turn around to me and say, Sam, I didn't get the invite, which I don't believe, but hey ho. Anyway, if that is the case, just click on here, you copy that, and then you can just send that to them. And that's going to let them get straight into the site, create their own profile, and then have full access. Now, once they're on the site, and let's say you want to transfer the ownership to them, just click on this. It's going to prompt you to sign in, and then you're going to click into here, easy peasy, choose who you're going to transfer ownership to and then continue. Obviously, SJ Crawford 1996 hasn't accepted, so I can't change it over just yet. But that is how you do it. Nice and simple. So if you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.